Hi there and welcome to our Rescuezilla video. A corrupt partition table will cause your computer not to boot and all your data is lost. Rescuezilla is my choice for a cold iron copy of your boot sector and your partition table. When everything goes to hell in a handbag, you're going to need this boot sector and this partition table. So that's why I use CloneZilla. It also has the most choices. It has the clearest menus, and I think it's the superb choice to use in this case. No more voice interruptions, just watch the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to make this video available to other people.